EVT, and automotive test equipment and repair service. Your place where you can make one call to repair it all.
Welcome to Hunter Engineering in Bristol, St. Louis. I'm at the training center, and my name is Dave Scribner. I'm product manager for tire changing equipment. Today, we're going to do a videotape, a brief videotape on how you, the service rep, can properly train not only the user of the tire changing equipment, but also the person who has purchased the equipment so that you can get the best return from your investment. In order to succeed in training tire changers, we need to go through certain steps. First, we're going to talk about features on a tire changer to familiarize yourself with the tire changer. Next, we need to talk about changing tires. First, we're going to cover the bead braking system, bead braking the tire, which can be done many different ways. Then we're going to talk about demounting the tire and mounting the tire, and finally matching and optimizing. The problem with the scenario is there's different tires and different rims on the market, and they have to be addressed in different ways. So each method is going to have to be presented slightly different depending on the type of tire and rim we're working on. Okay, before you install a tire changer, there's a few issues that you want to think about and some questions that you should be asking yourself and the owner of the business to determine how you're going to go about proper training. Obviously, you can waste a lot of time if you don't handle this properly. Number one, you need to get in touch with the owner of the shop and present to him the owner's manual, the operation manual, which gives a log of information that he can store as to the individuals who have been trained. You can enter in a model number, serial number, your name and phone number, and contact, and makes it very clear the concepts and procedures involved in order to properly run the TC350. Once you've spoken with management and they understand their responsibilities, the next step is to find the individual. That individual is going to have any number of resources and ways in which he can learn about the TC350. One will be you as a trained expert. Number two will be a videotape with a test. The plan is to offer the videotape as a tool for the operator to watch, and management, store management, will be able to test the operator, grade the operator, and issue a certificate of performance based on the testing from the video. During installation, it's absolutely important that you check air pressure. At the gauge, you can verify what's going on as far as the machine's performance. As you can see here, we have installed a high flow connector that it gives the tire changer the ability to be able to get enough volume and pressure. Air going into the tire changer should be at about 145 psi. But you can have all the pressure in the world, but if you don't have any volume, the machine will not perform properly. This high flow connector allows the machine to take the volume. So if I verify the pressure at 145 psi, I want to be able to step on the pedal and watch the pedal drop. Any pressure drop of more than 28 psi is unacceptable. Preferred would be no more than 15. If the air pressure ever drops below 105, essentially the tire changer is inhibited for performance. When attaching the bead roller assembly, it's absolutely critical that the air supply line, the black air supply line that goes to the auxiliary oiler, is fed between the cables, as you can see here. Between both cables here will prevent the air line from rubbing as the machine moves in and out. That's noted in the installation instructions along with other very important tips that should be read during installation.